Here we are again for another This Week's Just the Tip. This is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing. This week, I want to talk to you guys about unpacking basics. So let's take your kitchen, for example. If we're going to unpack the kitchen, we are going to first want to find every single box that has kitchen items in it. I can tell you how much harder it is when you think you have all the boxes and you unpack the kitchen and then realize, oh, there's 3 more boxes somewhere else. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have all of your boxes right there with you in the kitchen. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up every single box and you're going to make a huge mess and you're going to unpack everything and you're going to sort it by category. At this point, we can do some placeholders to figure out where you're going to keep the main categories like pantry, baking, cooking, silverware, all that kind of stuff, and kind of mark off those territories and categories within your open kitchen. Then from there, we are going to put everything away and make it really pretty and organized. So those are my tips for your kitchen. And then once you've got the whole kitchen set up, you can kind of fine tweak it, make any changes you might need, and just kind of really make it jive. So let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next week for another tip.